Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the tricky method of search. What is search? The exact value of a root which cannot be obtained. That is the root of a value or quantity which cannot be exactly obtained is called search. For example, root 5, this is the search, but root 4 is not search because root 4 has exact value. So, search, the example of search, root 5, root 3, root 7, these are the search. There are so many types of simplification, search simplification. Today, we will discuss type 1, type 2, type 3. Type 1 and type 2, it is the ascending order and descending order. How we can calculate ascending order, descending order? What is the tricky method? First type 1. Type 1. That is root 5, 3 root 4, 6 root 3. If there is a blank, there is a value is 2. So here is 2. These 2, 3 and 6 are called root indices. First, we find out the LCM of 2, 3, 6. LCM of 2, 3, 6 is 12. Sorry, it is 6. LCM of 2, 3, 6 is 6. Now, the power 5 power will be 6 divided by 2. The power of 5 will be 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, that is cube. The power of 4 will be 6 divided by 3. That is 2. The power of 3 will be 6 divided by 6. That is 1. So, 5 to the power cube, 4 to the power square and 3 to the power 1. So, easily we can easily find the value, that is 1 to 5, 16 and 3. So this is the bigger and this is the smaller. So easily we can calculate the ascending order and descending order. Again, I repeat, first we will find the LCM of root indices, that is 2, 3, 6. So LCM is 6. Now the value of 5, the power of 5 will be 6 divided by 2, that is 3. The power of 4 will be 6 divided by 3, that is 2. The power of 3 will be 6 divided by 6, that is 1. So 1, 2, 5, 16 and 3. So easily we can calculate the ascending order and descending order. Again, another example, that is 4 root 3, 3 root 2, 6 root 5. These are the root indices. First LCM of 4, 3, 6. LCM of root indices, that is 12. Now the power of 3 will be 12 divided by 4, that is 3. 12 divided by, that is power of 2 will be 12 divided by 3, that is 4. The power of 5 will be 12 divided by 6, that is 2. So 27, 16 and 25. So you can easily calculate the ascending order and descending order. Within 3 seconds, 5 seconds, within 4 seconds you can calculate the ascending order and descending order. Now type 2. Now type 2. Type 2, that is root 11 plus root 2, root 6 plus root 7 and root 8 plus root 5. The significance of this type of sum is the addition 11 and 2 13, 6, 7 13, 8 plus 5 13. In this case, the tricky method is only 11 and 2 calculation, 11 into 2, 6 into 7, 8 into 5, that is 22, 42 and 40. So easily you can calculate the ascending order and descending order. In case of class, only into 11 into 2, 6 into 7, 8 into 5, so 22, 42 and 40. So easily this is smaller, this is bigger, this is the medium. So you can easily calculate the ascending order and descending order. But in case of minus, in case of minus, that is root 7 minus root 3, root 8 minus root 2, root 6 minus root 4. This is the signification key. That is 7, 3, 10, 8, 2, 10, 6, 4, 10. So in this case, for minus, 7 into 3, 8 into 2, and 6 into 4, that is 21, 16, and 24. In this case, for minus, the smaller amount will be the bigger figure. That is, it is the bigger figure. In this case, for minus, the smaller amount will be big and the bigger amount will be small. So the ascending order, that is root 6 minus root 4 less than root 7 minus root 3 less than root 8 minus root 2. This is the TK method. In case of plus, the big amount will be the bigger and small amount will be the smaller. But in case of minus, the small amount will be the bigger and the big amount will be the smaller. So the ascending order is this, this and this. Now type 3. Type 3. Root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 continuation. In this case, first we find out the factor of 6. Factor of 6, that is 6 equal to 2 into 3. But there is also a factor 6 equal to 6 into 1. This factor will not be taken. Because the factor should be in the form of n into n plus 1. The factor should be in the form of n into n plus 1. If 2 is n, then the 3 is n plus 1. Now, first we find the factor of the value. Factor in the form of n into n plus 1. Easily the TK method is for plus answer n plus 1. That is n plus 1, 3. Answer 3. The TK method is answer 3. For plus, the answer will be n plus 1. For minus, the answer will be n. If this is a minus, this is minus, the answer will be n. That is 2. The answer will be 2. The answer will be 2 for minus. But for plus, the answer will be n plus 1. That is 3. Now another example. That is 20, continuation. 20 factor 4 into 5. So this is the form of n plus 1. So plus the answer 5. For plus, the answer will be n plus 1. Again, for plus, answer equal to n plus 1, that is 5. Now another example. 56 minus root 56 minus root 56 continuation. In this case, 56 factors 7 into 8. So if this is n plus 1. So in case of minus, the answer will be n. In case of minus, the answer will be n. So answer 7. So answer 7. So this is the easy TK method, and this simplification you can calculate within 3 seconds. Within 3 seconds you can calculate it. Today, thank you.